Governments in Latin America are seeking to ramp up COVID-19 vaccine campaigns as the Delta variant reaches this region. On Tuesday, Argentina's health minister said the number of confirmed cases of Delta in the country stands at 202, as the province of Buenos Aires confirmed its first case of community circulation.
If there is community circulation, it does not mean it is the dominant variant here, which is what has happened in a large number of countries. Variants compete, and that competition is what defines the speed of the variant spreading.
Across the Andes, Chile expects the Delta variant to be the dominant strain within the next 2 months, and experts are recommending a third booster shot for the elderly.
We know that the elderly has lower immunity and a weaker response to vaccines, so it is reasonable to think that the elderly will need a booster shot. They were the first to get the vaccine in the country, and 6 or 7 months on, they will see their levels of antibodies drop.
Chile is one of the countries currently seeing a large number of cases of the new Lambda strain. This variant was discovered in Peru in 2020, where it now accounts for more than 70% of all new cases.
I think the main concern here is how little we know about it.
First identified by Pablo Tsukuyama's team in Lima, this strain has now spread. It reached Japan via a Peruvian who travelled for the Tokyo Olympics. And questions remain over how much more dangerous this variant is.
Some preliminary evidence coming out of Chile, the US, and Japan suggests that there is some decreased efficiency of antibody neutralization. So could be translated into the real world to diminish efficacy, similar to what we're seeing with Delta and Beta, but not full-on vaccine failure. We're not seeing that.
Specialists are not only concerned by this variant, but also by the limited resources available to monitor the situation in Latin America, meaning that authorities lack the necessary information about the new emerging variants of the coronavirus.
Nowadays, there's almost 3 million viral sequences being shared on databases online, and less than 3% of those are coming from South America. So we're severely underestimating what's circulating here.
Latin America accounts for a disproportionately high number of COVID-19 cases. The concern is that high transmission levels and lagging vaccine campaigns mean that Lambda is just the latest variant to have emerged. Joel Richards for CGTN in Buenos Aires.